In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Chevy Trax key fob. Replacing your battery at home is easy to do. Anyone can do it. You don't need to bring your device to a dealership. And the only things you'll need are one CR2032 battery and optionally a coin. A large coin like a quarter or a nickel will do. If you don't have one of these batteries or you're not sure where to get one, go check out the link in the description. That link will take you over to an Amazon listing that where you can find these batteries for a great price. So go check that out. And then last thing here, I have the 3-button version of this flipping Trax key fob, the one used between model years 2014 and 2018. There's also a 4-button version. It doesn't matter which one you have. The process is the same, the battery is the same. You can just follow along with this video and we will get a new battery in your device in under 5 minutes. The first step is just to flip out your key and then look over here where the key was just housed. We're actually just going to push up on this lip to lift this back section of plastic out. Let me show you that. It's really easy. It doesn't take too much force. You're just, again, finding the lip on the inside there and pushing straight up. If yours is a little tight or that is difficult for you, here's where you want to grab your coin, and quarter is going to work best, or a silver dollar, a larger coin that you have. You're just going to insert it into this key area and just gently twist, and that's going to help you to pop this thing off and get access to the battery. From here, all you need to do is just apply a little pressure with your finger right next to this plastic tab. If you just push, the battery flies right out of there. Now go ahead and dispose of your old battery. Grab your new CR2032, and when you're putting it in, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing up. So you'll just slide it under this tab, positive side up, and just kind of click down the other side so that it sits flat. And now we're really pretty much done. We just need to snap the back section of plastic on there, make sure it is good and secure, and then you can just put your key back in there. And now you've got a new battery in your Trax key fob and you are good to go. So I hope that video helped you out. If it did, feel free to let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like, because we'd love to hear that. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel. We've got you covered with tutorials for the key fobs for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get that information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.